Hey guys, thank you for watching. For today's video, I want to make some Hamburg, which is a Japanese way of making hamburgers without the bun. Normally Hamburg has breadcrumbs as stuffing, I guess, but I'm going to use mushroom for that. And so let me show you guys what my daughters are going to help me do, okay? Okay, so first they're going to help me mix the hamburger patties, and for that we're going to use 1 pound of pork and then 1 pound of beef. Last time I made them was with just pork, but I don't have enough, so we're gonna mix it. I got a large onion here with about 4 ounces of mushroom chopped, and then 2 eggs. We're gonna add some garlic powder, chili powder, and some basil. That's actually my own addition. Normally they don't have that. And then some mayonnaise. So that's gonna be the patty right there. For the sauce, we can use some minced daikon and some ponzu. And ponzu is just a Japanese sauce that's shoyu or soy sauce based with some citrus. For the side, I'm going to use some mushrooms, another 4 ounces. So this little pack was 8 ounces. So I'm going to use half of it with some broccoli and some zucchini to make the side. And then I don't want this steak to go to waste, so I'm going to put that on the stir fry here. That's just the side. That's just extra. And then, of course, we're going to do a salad. Okay, so let's get started. Lisa, tú primero. Ábrelo.
Primero yo.
Ya pues, ábrelo.
¿Ya?
Está bien, ábrelo pues.
Pero ya.
Échalo todo, échalo todo. Despacito, ¿quién te dijo que lo aventaras? Tú agárralo todo. No, así no, este.
Ok.
Ok, agárralo todo bien. Todo este. Este, agárralo y échalo adentro. Con la mano no, aquí. Agarra aquí y échalo adentro. Ya. O ríes, tú echa la cebolla, échala ya. Que no te vaya a caer. Ya, échalo aquí adentro, despacito. Y échale un huevo y dale un huevo a Risa. No puede, no alcanza. Ya, échalo. Despacito. Okay, échale acá. Arriba, échale mayonesa. I know, but I want them to put the spices in there. Oh, and I forgot to talk about the salt and pepper. Échale mucho. Más fuerte. Despacito. Estás loca. Así ya. Así, muévele, así. Échalo. Este ciérralo ya. Muévelo un poquito. Ok. Ya. Ciérralo este. Se toca.
¿Entro?
Sí.
¿Mucho?
Ya no. Así ya. Así. Échalo. Ciérralo este. Enlaza. Yo te la detengo. Está grande. No, pero necesitas usar la cuchara. ¡Ah! Mételo adentro, mételo adentro. Ay. Ya, pues, ya yo lo hago. Que ríe, échale eso. Todo así alrededor. Okay. Ahora agarra. Ahora agarra. Can you give her some wooden spoon? Yeah. Lisa, ¿tú lo vas a agarrar? Agárralo con las 2 manos.
No.
Ok, vete para allá pues. Ok, mételo la mano.
Papá, mi mano está así. Esa no está ahí. Esa no está ahí. Y está. Y. Mamá, mamá見たら。
ちょっと待ってて、これだけもうちょっと。
忙ししたい。
もっともっと。
Okay, so that took a little bit longer than I wanted to, but it looks good, so I'm kind of excited to see how it tastes. I put the daikon or the radish on top of the burger with ponzu, and then I decided instead of putting the steak on the side, I put it on top of the salad. So I did that kind of last minute. And I also forgot to mention the salt and pepper for hamburger, and I added butter to the stir fry. So let's see how it tastes. So it's not pink, so that's good. That's good. I like it. So Megu, my wife, she used to work at Hamburg place in Japan, and so that's her go-to meal for, especially for the kids, since they always eat it. This is actually my second or third time making it. Okay, so that's good. Keto-friendly meal. I'm not that hungry, so I don't even know if I can finish the whole thing. Hope you guys try this one. Please let me know if you have any questions below. I know I kind of went fast through it, and please subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Con la mano.